What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We are at the Stockton flea market with another picking video. It's a little bit late. It's like 7, but we've been here since like 4:30. I took a nap in the car and my dad's still sitting in the truck back there. I don't know if you saw. We're just chilling, you know, we didn't really do much and time to go get to work now a little bit.
We've had some pretty bad leaders.
Who doesn't believe that? You gotta be blind not to believe that.
One after the other, though, in the last 6.
Wow, no, Trump had our country straightened away.
Well, he was.
And that's why they don't want him in there. He knows about
No, but you know what? For some reason, well, you know who he hired? He hired Peter Navarro. And Peter Navarro, for some reason, he was Clinton's economic advisor.
How much?
$5.
Yeah.
But Peter Navarro
They're not gonna tell me how to vote. I want them bastards out of.
You take 3 for it?
I'll take 3.
You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
You have a good day.
You too. You can have the ball.
I'm
They're
fine.
not that good.
I'm fine. I'm good. Thank you. Alright, they were talking a lot about politics over there. Hopefully I can cut all of that out. I don't know if you guys need to hear about all that, but we got a nice tennis racket. Let me show you guys some of these eBay sales. Like this one says $179, but that also has like a tag and there's only one picture. It's a little weird. This also has a tag. Oh, it's missing. Look at that. Looks exactly like the racket that I have, pretty much. Oh, never mind. It's a little bit different. But I know these ones down here are the same. I was hoping it'd be the $100 one. It's all good though. Oh, the Wilson's a little bit. Okay, what is that one? The Wilson is just on the handle was a little bit like torn, not torn off, but worn off. So it's a good buy. I paid $3. It seems to sell for around $50 online. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll try and find some more stuff though, you know. We'll try and find some more stuff.
Here pretty soon.
$3. Lucky, there's a good DVD for you in there.
How much for this?
No, the other one. I could do $3 on that. Come on, wait.
Alright, I should have maybe bought that Monopoly. Definitely, maybe, I mean, it wasn't a profitable price. You said $3. I think I saw a few sell for like 25 online, but I didn't want to deal with the hassle of that Monopoly board, of it maybe missing pieces. I just didn't want to deal with all that, but it could have probably been profitable. We're to actually unload finally. This is a weird day at the flea market. We don't usually like do it like this. We usually like unloaded by like 6:30. You know, but we're trying something new. I don't know. It's lazy, looks like. The bottom of this box is broken. Okay, I love it. No! A mustache. Bum-ba-dum. Alright guys, with the flea market, you guys already know that. I'm being a Mario. Oh, the mustache sucks. We got a bunch of costumes, as you guys know. We got them in the... Whew. I get 50% of that for the advertisement, Dad. Come on now. I have good advertisement. You guys see that? The only reason they're selling is... Only reason they're selling is because they could see me wearing it. You know that? Come on. 50%.
One, two, three. One more. Wow.
Bye-bye.
The door is not.
Bye-bye. That's so funny. Oh, that's so cute. As you guys can tell, I'm just dressed as Mario. I was walking around, that kid saw me. I had to give him a picture, you know? We wanted to just take a picture of Mario. Had to, come on. I guess just turned picking the flea market as Mario now. Gosh, a lot of people are just looking at me though. I'm not surprised. You know, Mario. Ooh, I have these shoes. These are the shoes that I'm literally wearing right now. We're matching. How much are these shoes? Alright. Not bad. I paid like $180 for mine, but I got them brand new. How about these shoes? Alright. I think these are like Panda Dunks is what these are called. I'm not really too knowledgeable about shoes, but if they're real, that's a pretty solid price.
That was over 200.
Yeah.
At the store.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's about like, yeah, it's about that price in the store. Give or take. It's hard to sell shoes at the flea market, I feel like people aren't paying that well. Like $140 for shoes they can get, like, know they're real if they pay like, let's say 30 extra more bucks to get them at the store. They'll know they're real. At the flea market, it's a bit more sus. You're not actually sure if it's real. You don't actually know, you know? All right, we got a lot of people who recognize me. Of course, it's Mario. Who doesn't know Mario? Seems like a lot of people enjoy the costume, you know? Maybe you have to come around here a little bit more, just mess around with some different types of outfits. Maybe come as just random costumes. I don't normally have costumes, obviously, just because we're selling them. All right, looks like, I don't know if I'm able to find much more today. I got my good pick at least. I got at least one solid pick. It was a pretty good pick too, if I'm being honest. We'll make good money on it. I paid, what, $3 for it? And it sells for at least 40 to 50 bucks. If I'm wrong, like, hopefully I'm wrong, because there's a couple more that sell for like 100 bucks. And hopefully it's that one, you know? That'd be really cool. $100 or $3 to $100. That's good. You want me to take this bag out?
Yeah. Take the bag out.
Oh. All right.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it is. I don't want to break anything. All right, guys. We're wrapping it up. We're not packing up yet. We're about to pack up soon, though. I'm just gonna like say goodbye now. We'll probably be doing some more stuff today, so I'll keep you guys updated. We bought this. This is the only pick I got today. It's like a little racket. Advantage Wilson tennis racket. Paid $3 for it. I paid $3 for it. And I saw a couple listings for like $50, $60, $70 sold. One sold for like $150, which is weird. Some of them other ones sold for $100, but we'll keep you guys updated. You guys will see on my YouTube shorts if you guys like to stay updated. I post on my shorts or my reels, depending where you're watching. I post my updates on there.